How to turn on or off Smart 5G on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to mobile network. In mobile network, scroll down and go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, you can see here the Smart 5G. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the Smart 5G, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, automatically switch between 5G and 4G to reduce battery consumption. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can tap the turn off button on the pop-up to disable or turn off the Smart 5G on your OPPO Reno 7 5G.